Guys, what's up YouTubers? Today I'm going to be trying to stop the train. There should be a train coming. Right now at the Wigwag. Oh, is that the gates going down? Not the gates? Oh, look at the train! It's like cray cray. Let's try to stop it more. Ready? So I'm back. Now. Oh, that's my beautiful old Clemson car. Oh, I should not could have put that onto the track. That was my beautiful Clemson car. Aw. Bye-bye, beautiful Clemson car. For some reason, I got a... Anyways, thanks for watching. And please subscribe, make a like. And bye-bye.